Affiliate marketing is the most profitable way to make money online. Want to understand what is affiliate marketing? Keep reading to learn everything about this popular passive income method. I got to know about affiliate marketing in 2008, and within a few months, I started earning a decent income from it. Since back in those days, it was a completely new concept, I also started publishing a monthly income report to inspire and motivate users like you to know more about affiliate marketing. Here is a screenshot of one of the affiliate program that I promote. In the last 10 years, Shout Me Loud has inspired millions of lives around the globe to help them earn passive income via affiliate marketing. It would not have been possible if I had not quit my call center job to pursue my passion. When I think about this, I find it amazing as to how my life unfolded when I took the courage of starting something of my own. With this affiliate marketing guide, I want to provide you all the details about basics of affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works, how to get started with affiliate marketing terminologies. This is your go-to zero guide, and you should bookmark this one along with all linked articles to master the art of affiliate marketing. If you are someone who likes to read everything in the book format, you can purchase our affiliate marketing handbook from our store as well. Alright, let's get started. Please subscribe my channel.